Dobrodošli na premijeru i prezentaciju novog 2D stroja za lasersko rezanje Prima Power. Zovem se Domagoj Jendrić, vlasnik sam Lorsel grupe i zadovoljstvo mi je biti zastupnik grupe Prima Power za više država. Hrvatsku, Srbiju, Bosnu i Hercegovinu, Crnu Goru, Makedoniju, Kosovo i Albaniju. Države koje predstavljaju vrlo važno tržište za grupu Prima Power. To se naravno odnosi na cjelokupnu paletu proizvoda Prima Power. Iako danas posebno želim spomenuti više od 800 instalacija laserskih sustava u Italiji, od kojih je više od 500 strojeva za 2D rezanje. U našoj regiji imamo instalirano više od 60 lasera. Veći udio su 2D laseri, uključujući CO2 i fiber tehnologiju, a puno manji je udio 3D lasera. Danas je za nas vrlo važan trenutak i tijekom ove prezentacije razumjet ćete razloge zašto. Očito bismo svi voljeli predstaviti stroj uživo i poželjeti vam dobrodošlicu u Prima Power showroomu u Torinu. Ali kako je u ovom trenutku nemoguće organizirati aktivnosti uživo, odlučili smo se iskoristiti moderne tehnologije i događaje odraditi digitalno. Dostupni smo za sva pitanja u realnom vremenu, pa se nemojte ustručavati koristiti funkciju trenutnih poruka. U slučaju da nismo u mogućnosti svima odgovoriti radi nedostatka vremena, svakako ćemo odgovoriti kasnije. Spremni smo vam poželjeti dobrodošlicu u potpunoj sigurnosti u Prima Power showroomu u Torinu. Ovdje se nalaze novi strojevi i mi smo dostupni za vas, za demonstracije i razgovore oko vaših potreba u proizvodnji.
Today, we are here to tell you about a big innovation. You will discover the new Laser Genius Plus, behind which there is a team of highly professional technicians, men and women. It was a long journey to bring us to this point, an adventure made of efforts, discussions, and problems to be solved, one of creativity, ingenuity, innovations and solutions. Behind this machine there is commitment, care, obsession for detail, and a lot of passion. Above all, there is respect and awareness. Respect for our customers, entrepreneurs with an idea to pursue, and awareness of how fundamental our machines are to them and how much the machines must help by giving their best to realize this idea. This project is the synthesis of the company's 40 years of experience and new ideas with a completely new approach. As you know, accessibility has always been a key feature of Prima Power machines, and it is even more so on the Laser Genius Plus. There is a clear differentiation between the area in which the operator works and the one dedicated to services. Two sides of the working area are for the operator, so that they can easily access all the internal areas, whilst all of the service elements are gated and integrated into a dedicated module. The service module makes the machine perfectly symmetrical and very narrow, thanks to the particular arrangement of the transmission elements and the cable chains. We have designed the machine with a reversible layout so that it can be installed in any production context without constraints on process flow. Having all the services already integrated and tested, it optimizes installation times. Only 2 days are needed for starting production. Another important feature of the Laser Genius Plus is speed. This machine is incredibly fast. With an increase of the laser power and leveling of the source cost, the technology allows high cutting speed to be obtained even on medium thicknesses. This potential can only be realized, however, if the machine is fast enough. To explain what speed means for a laser machine, I use the comparison with cars. Today, in our cars, it's not difficult to have horsepower, but to achieve a good time, horses are not enough. You need good suspension, a rigid frame, and above all, to remove weight. Otherwise, the software in your car will cut the power in the corners. For a laser machine, it's exactly the same. What is important to reduce cycle times is an excellent relationship between the stiffness of the structure, the transmission elements, and the weight of the moving masses. This machine is always able to exploit its full range of horsepower in all situations. Laser power is an increasing, but you have to know how to manage it. The heat we generate is capable of melting thick metal plates. However, the laser head will remain cool because it is clean. The laser beam passes through the head without hitting it because we have introduced sensors capable of actively controlling the cutting process in real time, made the optics hermetically isolated, simplified the mechanics as much as possible, and last but not least, we made sure that the machine stays clean. That's why we worked hard on the vacuum system, because if the machine is clean, it will also be reliable. One last very important aspect that we have considered in the development of this machine is the software. During testing, we worked to refine the software, carrying out refactoring to increase its modularity and therefore its reliability, taking care of all aspects, from the detail of the error messages to the extensive use of artificial intelligence algorithms for process control.
Laser Genius Plus is the result of the cooperation between various entities across Italy and represents the synthesis of many projects. The elegance of its design came from the pen of an important Milan studio, who cooperate intensely with the designer at Prima Power to marry efficiency and beauty. Laser Genius Plus integrates the electronics and source made available by our Prima Electro business unit. The mechanical and structure component, along with the head, are born from the ideas of our designer in Collegno, who collected all the experience accumulated by Prima Power in more than 40 years of laser technology. Prima Power philosophy is based on total control of the entire laser process by integrating the best from the external suppliers in the market, selected from those who have distinguished themselves for technological and commercial innovation in proprietary technological solutions. Chiller, dust collectors, pneumatics, gas control, cables, wiring, optical components, motors, guides, drives, and the mechanical transmission components of the new machine have all been selected from amongst the best brands in the market to guarantee our customer the highest level of reliability. Laser Genius Plus is synonymous with efficiency, not only through excellent dynamics, but also through technology dedicated to attention to detail at all stages of the process. The high dynamics guarantee the lowest production time on thin materials. The dedicated tech suite drastically reduces cycle times thanks to intelligent management of head movement. For example, nitrogen piercing, no priol, rapid movements from one profile to another, and grid cutting. Thanks to a precise calibration of the parameters, such as material, thickness, and cutting technology, it is possible to perform piercing that guarantees quality combined with an absolute saving of time, regardless of production process used. Prima Power has integrated all of these features into its new fiber head, with adaptive optics for automatic management of the focal position and diameter, and a fast, reactive, and accurate standoff measurement. The new head is designed for excellent cutting quality and dynamics on all materials, the highest cutting pressure with a certified mechanical structure, and the harshest environment, a totally sealed and protected case. The head is equipped with a single focusing lens which is suitable for all production needs. In line with the tradition of Prima Power, the advantages in terms of process reliability remain important and are satisfied thanks to the adoption of the integrated system of SIPS, Safe Impact Protection System, the lens drawer equipped with a fast alignment system, OPC, optical position control, and the protective glass drawer for easy inspection, supplied with 2 units as a standard. Our monitoring system verifies the whole process. For example, LISA, Light Intensity System Analyzer, takes care of verifying real-time the correct functioning of the parameter, regardless of what the process is, such as piercing, cutting, marking, and the technology applied. Check Optics checks the protective glass and the focusing lens. If necessary, it stops the process, ensuring the shortest downtime for cleaning operation and only when really necessary. The new Laser Genius Plus automatic nozzle changer has 20 stations. This will allow the customer to always use the most suitable nozzle automatically at the right time, reducing time and margin errors. The Laser Genius Plus is a machine designed for 24/7 continuous production. It includes a standard and automatic, fully electric pallet changer with cycle time reduction up to 30% compared to the previous versions. Thanks to the increased dynamic performances and the best exploitation of the potential of high-power fiber laser, the Laser Genius Plus is an excellent match for a wide range of automation solutions. From simple loading and unloading system using the compass server to a small warehouse with 1 or 2 towers, and up to more complex flexible manufacturing system able to be connected to multi-technology systems. Compass server, the most compact, cost-effective and easy-to-use layout of the market, suitable for short periods of unattended production when a production mix is not required. Combo Tower Laser, 1 or 2 multifunctional and configurable towers that represent an optimal solution for small to medium lighthouse production. Night Train, an integrated production system which automates the entire manufacturing process in a single step, from scheduling to production reporting, fully automatic material handling, including intelligent buffering, minimum production time, and maximum productivity.
Industry 4.0 is a process related to the fourth industrial revolution and leading toward automated and interconnected production. We are facing a transition from the old concepts of a factory to the new smart factory, characterized by digitized production that works dynamically and is composed of more fluid, interconnected processes and production systems, capable of using the better resources available and minimizing waste. The concept of Industry 4.0 is found in all Prima Power products, from intelligent and automated machines to modular office software and data collection through sensors and cameras for advanced analysis and diagnostics. Laser Genius Plus is a machine with a very high degree of connectivity, allowing integration with other systems and with the customer's management software, maximizing efficiency and productivity. The process starts with the import of production orders generated by the customer system through automatic programming with Prima Power CAM and the creation of production planning and work list to be loaded directly into the machine. Finally, we arrive at the collection of machine data related to production, such as details on the quantity of pieces produced and materials used, performance, such as machine statuses, details of any alarms and processing times to offer the customer all the data necessary for production control management systems. Prima Power has always been close to its customer through the product life cycle, which is why we have developed a solution based on the concept of IoT, Internet of Things, with a view to SaaS, Software as a Service, dedicated to monitoring and diagnostics, based on the collection of a large amount of behavioral rather than production data from the Laser Genius Plus. The data collected ranges from details of alarm and triggers, production interruption, to information related to the production and manual operations carried out by the operators. All collected data are sent to a certified cloud for security. Thanks to the Remote Care web application, our technicians from Prima Power service centers check the behavior of the machines and give suggestions for improving production and solving even unexpected problems. For the new Laser Genius Plus, a new 24 inches dual monitor console in high definition and a simplified user interface has been designed. To further assist the operator, an info panel has been introduced which allows the display of data in real time, such as detail of the processed materials and energy consumption. Very useful information for operators and production managers. In addition to the info panel, the Laser Genius Plus is equipped with 3 onboard software modules. Optia is dedicated to the digitization of the scrap sheet shapes through the camera of the machine. This allows retrieved sheets to be used to create new nests directly on machine. Wizard is an onboard minicam that allows you to create new nests and processes or to make adjustments to existing ones, such as moving, rotating and deleting pieces, change leading, adding microjoints. To the editor, at the end, is the graphic editor of the part program, allowing some adjustment to the technology. For example, change leading, move leading, add move or delete microjoints.
Gotovo smo na kraju ovog događaja i želio bih vam istaknuti neke aspekte koji iskusnim korisnicama poput vas sigurno nisu prošli neprimjećeno. Prije svega želio bih naglasiti da su u dobu u kojoj se ponuda laserskih strojeva svakodnevno obogaćuje novim ponudama, prioriteti Prima Power kao talijanskog proizvođača uvijek su bili usmjereni prema potrazi za vrhunskim tehnološkim rješenjima, s potpunom kontrolom nad cijelim procesom. Prima Power nisu obični monteri. Mi dominiramo tehnološkim lancem svojih proizvoda. Od dizajna, razvoja i proizvodnje svih glavnih komponenti koji utječu na karakteristike i performanse stroja. Želim spomenuti laserske izvore, reznu glavu, CNC kontroler te naposljetku i softver za programiranje ili izvještavanje te vrlo širok raspon automatizacije. Sljedeći cilj koji je uvijek vodio firmu Prima Power u razvoju novog proizvoda je postizanje najboljeg omjera cijene i kvalitete. Ne bojim se da ću biti u krivu ako kažem da je ovaj cilj sada u potpunosti postignut strojem Laser Genius Plus. Zahvaljujući značajnom povećanju performansi i pažljivoj kontroli svih aspekata koji utječu na kvalitetu proizvoda. Prima Power je spremna suočiti se sa izazovima tržišta i zahtjevima postojećih i novih kupaca sa entuzijazmom i odlučnošću, te je zbog toga naša ponuda već strukturirana kako bi ponudila nova i zanimljiva rješenja posvećena stroju Laser Genius Plus, poput ugovora o preventivnom održavanju i drugih ugovora koje također uključuju oblike korektivnih održavanja. Ako ste zainteresirani saznati više, pozivam vas da se izravno obratite našoj prodajnoj mreži. Naši zaposlenici i naši regionalni menadžeri su vam na raspolaganju. Možete naravno pisati i na naš e-mail info@lorsel.com ili it.sales@primapower.com. Laser Genius Plus u potpunosti je testiran i ta su ispitivanja provedena kako interno, gdje Prima Power već mjesecima koristi nekoliko strojeva sa različitim vrstama automatizacije, tako i kod vanjskih kupaca. S tim u vezi želio bih vam pokazati kratki video intervju snimljen u firmi Laseram, prvom kupcu stroja koji više od pola godine koristi Laser Genius Plus snage 6 kW.
La Laser l'ha nata nel 2008 come azienda che si pone sul mercato per proporre un servizio sulla lavorazione della lamiera. Oltre al taglio laser eseguiamo anche lavori di piegatura e saldatura. Noi disponiamo di due impianti di taglio laser. La prima del 2017 è un platino con un campo di lavoro 3000-1500 e un sorgente laser di 6 kW. La seconda macchina è un Laser Genius Plus. La macchina ha un campo di lavoro 3000-1500, un laser di potenza 6 kW come l'altra macchina. La differenza sta sostanzialmente nella struttura della macchina, che non è più a portale ma a ponte. Quello permette di abbassare notevolmente i tempi cicli alzando le dinamiche di movimento. Con l'arrivo del Laser Genius Plus siamo riusciti ad abbassare i tempi cicli di circa 2/3 sui lamiere sottili fino al 4 mm. Facciamo sia dal packaging che all'automotive, soprattutto a livello di prototipia. Come materiale lavoriamo prevalentemente ferro, inox e alluminio. Il ferro sull'80% della nostra produzione varia sui spessori medi sottili, dal 5-6 fino al 12-15 mm. L'inox, che rappresenta circa il 15% della nostra produzione, anche lì su spessori medi sottili, dal 2 al 3 mm fino al 12-15 mm. L'installazione della macchina nuova, il Laser Genius Plus, in sé è stata una cosa abbastanza veloce per quanto è concepita la macchina. Arrivano due blocchi che si tirano giù nel giro di mezza giornata, il blocco della macchina con tutti gli ausiliari a bordo, quindi il laser, essiccatore, chiller, e poi l'elevatore della macchina per fare il cambio pallet. Quindi l'installazione in sé è molto veloce. Il fatto di avere tutti i moduli, tutte le periferie della macchina raggruppate all'interno dello chassis della macchina ci aiuta soprattutto a livello di manutenzione e pulizia della macchina in sé, perché la macchina rimane un blocco unico di facile gestione, senza più nessun altro blocco sparso in giro per l'azienda, cavi, canaline, tubi in giro. È tutto lì chiuso. Essendo una filosofia Prima Power, non ci sono stati tempi di adattamento tanto lunghi. Nel giro di 2-3 giorni abbiamo preso praticamente possesso della macchina e del suo utilizzo al 100%. L'elevata dinamica del Laser Genius Plus ci ha consentito di diminuire drasticamente i tempi ciclo. Questo ha generato anche un forte aumento della produttività, causandoci un po' di scompiglio le prime settimane, perché abbiamo dovuto riorganizzarci internamente anche con le varie figure produttive, abbiamo dovuto spostare personale anche nelle fasi successive al taglio per gestire l'aumento di produzione. Qua potete ammirare una carrellata di pezzi tagliati con la nostra Laser Genius Plus, un ferro da 1,5 tagliato in azoto, pezzo da 15 mm e una staffa portamicro in ferro da 4 tagliata e piegata. L'impressione che ci ha dato subito la macchina, il Laser Genius Plus appena arrivato, è una sensazione di una macchina rifinita bene, curata nei dettagli, seguita bene, dà una sensazione di prodotto di alta gamma.
Hvala vam što ste bili s nama tijekom ove prezentacije. Također hvala svim kolegama koji su radili na ovom projektu i realizaciji događaja. Nadamo se da ćemo se uskoro naći u Torinu, u showroomu Prima Power, a spremni smo i kontaktirati vas ili posjetiti u vašim uredima ili putem web konekcija.